Mastering comparing and contrasting for TOEFL and IELTS. Hello, learners! Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of the English language, especially for the TOEFL and IELTS exams: comparing and contrasting. This is not just about listing differences and similarities, but about expressing them effectively. Let's dive right in. When we compare, we are looking at similarities between two or more things. When we contrast, we are focusing on their differences. Both these skills are essential in both everyday life and in English exams. By mastering these, you'll be better equipped to discuss, analyze, and express your ideas clearly. Here's a list of functional vocabulary for comparing and contrasting. 1. Similarly. 2. Similarly, both cities have a rich cultural history. 3. Likewise. 4. He enjoys reading. Likewise, his sister is an avid reader. 5. In the same way. 6. They both love music in the same way. 7. On the other hand. 8. New York is bustling and energetic. On the other hand, the countryside is peaceful and quiet. 9. However. 10. I love coffee, however, I avoid it in the evening. 11. Whereas, while. 12. She likes cats, whereas I prefer dogs. 13. He's fond of summer, while she loves winter. Remember, these phrases can help structure your sentences, making your comparisons and contrasts clearer to the listener or reader. Let's see these phrases in action with examples related to common TOEFL and IELTS topics. 1. Education. 2. Schools in the U.S. typically begin in August or September. However, in Japan, the academic year starts in April. 3. Technology. 4. Smartphones are convenient for on-the-go tasks. On the other hand, desktop computers are preferred for more intensive tasks like graphic design. 5. Environment. 6. Using public transport reduces individual carbon footprints. Similarly, cycling or walking also decreases one's environmental impact. 1. Variety is key. Don't overuse a single phrase. Mix them up for variety. 2. Positioning. These phrases can begin or be in the middle of a sentence. For instance, however, or however. 3. Practice. The more you use these phrases in your speaking and writing, the more natural they will become. Comparing and contrasting is a fundamental skill, not just for your exams but for expressing nuanced thoughts in English. Remember to familiarize yourself with these phrases and practice using them regularly. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of comparison and contrast in no time. Until next time, happy learning!